Hello and welcome back, my dear kids. Today I am back again with another chapter, Plants, Parts and Their Functions. I have tried to cover up all the subtopics of this chapter, that is, the parts of the plants and their functions. My dear kids, in this video, we will be covering the subtopics, parts of a plant and functions of different parts of the plant. This video will be helpful as I have covered up all the fill-ins through this video. So my dear kids, let's start the chapter and look into all the fill-ins in this chapter. Number 1, our plant is divided into two main parts, the shoot and the root. Number 2, the shoot grows upwards to get sunlight and air. Number 3, the root, which usually grows always downwards inside the soil to absorb water and minerals. Number 4, the part of a plant which is above the soil is called shoot. Number 5, the shoot has stem, branches, buds, leaves, flowers and fruits. Number 6, the part of the plant which remains under the soil is called root. Number 7, there are two main types of roots. One is taproot, another is fibrous roots. Number 8, our taproot has a thick part that goes deep into the soil. My dear kids, you can see in the picture, there is a taproot which is getting deep into the soil. Number 9, many smaller and thin roots grow out of taproots. Number 10, examples of tap roots are number 1, bean, number 2, sunflower, in number 3 you can see a picture of a carrot, and number 4, mustard. All these have tap roots. Number 11, some plants have clusters of roots of the same size growing from the end of the stem called fibrous roots. Kids, all you can see in the picture, there is a picture of fibrous roots where a number of roots have come out from the end of the stem. Number 12, examples of fibrous roots are wheat, rice, grass and sugarcane. All these have fibrous roots. Number 13, in the picture you can see a big tree and it is fixed firmly to the soil with the help of roots. So roots fix the plants to the soil. Number 14, the roots take in water and minerals from the soil and pass them to the stem. Number 15, some roots store food which we eat. Number 16, vegetables like beetroot, radish, carrot and turnip store food in them which we eat as food. Number 17, the stem is the main part of the shoot and grows above the ground. Number 18, the stem of a tree is called trunk and is large, thick and hard. See in the picture, you can see a tree which has a trunk and which is large, a thick one and hard. Number 19, the stem of some plants are soft and tender, such as number 1 you can see a picture of a money plant, then we have grapes, number 3 pumpkin and number 4 in the picture it's a muskmelon whose stems are very soft and tender. Number 20, the stem of some plants grows under the ground and stores food such as potato and ginger. Number 21, some stems store food which we can eat such as sugarcane and potato. Number 22, the stem bears leaves and flowers. Number 23, the stem holds the plant upright firmly on the ground. Number 24, stem carries water and minerals from the roots to other parts of the plant. It's an important function of stem. Number 25, the stem also carries food which is made by the leaves to all parts of the plant. Number 26, the leaves grow on the stem. Number 27, leaves are green because they have chlorophyll in them. Chlorophyll is a green pigment due to which the leaves are green. Number 28, the flat and broad part of the leaf is called the leaf blade or lamina. Number 29, in the middle of the leaf is the main vein called the midrib. Number 30, tiny openings on the lower surface of the leaves are known as stomata. Number 31, stomata help the plant to take in and give out air and extra water from the plants. Number 32, leaves prepare food with the help of chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, air, water, and sunlight. Number 33, the food making process in plants is called the photosynthesis. Number 34, leaves is also called the kitchen or the food factory of the plant. Number 35, the extra food is stored in the leaves such as spinach, lettuce, and cabbage. Number 36, flower is the most beautiful part of a plant. Number 37, flowers grow on the stem and have a sweet smell. Number 38, flowers attract bees and butterflies which suck nectar from flowers. Number 39, some flowers can be eaten such as broccoli and cabbage. Number 40, the bees help the flowers to grow into fruits. Number 41, most flowers change into fruits which contain seeds. Number 42, fruits have seeds in them. Number 43, fruits contain stored food and vitamin C, which is very good and healthy for our health. Number 44, some fruits have only one seed, such as mango and cherry. Number 45, papaya and watermelon have many seeds. Number 46, seeds contain baby plants and also contain food for the plants. Number 47, the growing of a new plant from a seed is called germination. Number 48, some seeds are eaten as food such as wheat, rice, and pulses. Number 49, some seeds are processed to obtain oil such as mustard and sunflower. Dear kids, hopefully the video will be helpful to you. If you like the video, do hit a like, share it and subscribe to my channel for further updates on science. Thanks for watching and keep learning.